Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a lot of different content. I am doing something I've never done before. We're doing a dealer trade. I'm headed out about 3 hours from the dealership I work at, Queenston, to swap this out. This is a 2020 Denali, and what I want to see is fuel economy. So I'm taking this with the 2-liter turbo. She's got 127 kilometers on it. Brand new. I reset the trip. I want to see mileage. I'm not going to drive this for mileage. I'm going to drive this how I would like to drive it on the highway with the 2-liter turbo. And I'm swapping this out for a Terrain SLE Elevation. Well equipped, most of the features, no leather, 1.5 liter though. So I'm going to compare the fuel economy between the 2 and the 1.5 liter that comes in these two vehicles, and ride quality, comfort, two totally different trims, two totally different price points. So let's get on the road and let's see how she does. We made exceptionally good time. I boogied. Traffic was light. It was spectacular. And I want you guys to know, I did not drive to be fuel efficient. I drove to drive like a normal vehicle would drive. It said 9.2 liters per 100 the whole way here, but a little bit of city driving from the highway to the dealership. And we have hit 9.3 over 308 kilometers. Obviously, vehicle is 435 kilometers on it now, so it is not broken in, and it will get better than what it is currently seeing. That's just where we're at now. As far as time in the Denali, it's comfortable. The heated seats were put on for, well, they're still on. Just soothing the back because you can. Ride's fantastic. The adaptive cruise control is amazing. I've never really used it. I drive a Camaro, so they don't come with it, but it is spectacular. I wish all vehicles had it, even my Camaro. That'd be great for road trips, but great vehicle, quiet, smooth, you know, it's a Denali. It's kind of what you'd expect. So now let's jump into the SLT Elevation and see how it goes. This vehicle is pretty freaking awesome. I'm actually super impressed. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, sunroof. It's most of the Denali, but without leather. 1.5 liter. It's white. I'm actually really excited to get it out on the road. I found the leather a little stiff, so I'm whoa. Let's get to a trip so I can reset it. Fuel range. They did not put any fuel in here for me. Thank you to this very considerate dealership. Reset that, and we will get on the road. Made it. We did almost an identical trip both ways. This vehicle here, a few less kilometers, about 100 less. Fuel range, go to trip 1, right there. 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, doing the same speed on the same roads, almost an identical drive. So this vehicle gets 1.1 liters per 100. Not broken in, brand new. I would anticipate both vehicles to get a good 10% better, if not a little more. But that's just a quick, like, you buy it, you get it from the dealership. what's the difference between the 1.5 liter, the 2 liter. I can't say I missed the 2 liter. This had plenty of power. It scooted well. As soon as people got out of my way and the adaptive cruise control kicked in, I mean, she boogies. It was a really nice drive, and I was really impressed. The ride quality is great. These fab cloth seats are very, very comfortable. So, just happy all around. There's a quick comparison between a Denali and an SLE Terrain.